Find a comfortable position, either seated or laying down, allowing yourself to connect and sink deeply into the surface beneath you. Beginning to pay attention to your breathing, moving into full, deep inhales and exhales. And on each breath in, allow your lungs to expand and fill to their full capacity of expansion. And on each exhale, let out an audible sigh of relief. Continuing this breathing at your own pace, in your own time, in your own way, as you let go of any tension in your body, feeling space being created within you, feeling any tension being released, and allowing a sense of relief, freedom, and openness. And begin to let go of these deep inhales and exhales, coming back into a normal pattern of breathing, feeling relaxed and receptive and open to possibility, open to the idea that everything you could ever want or dream of is available to you. It exists, and you can have it. Place one hand over your heart and the other hand over your stomach. And in this moment, think of one thing that you intend to manifest. And once you've decided, repeat after me. I am certain that I have this. I am ready to receive. Allowing a wave of certainty to flow through you, that not only is this possible, it's inevitable, that you always get what you want. And with one hand over your heart and the other hand over your stomach, I want you to imagine a golden wave beginning to flow up through the bottoms of your feet, slowly beginning to fill up your body, flowing up through your legs, moving upwards and filling up your body with this thing or experience that you desire. And as this golden wave continues to flow upwards, repeat this affirmation. I am certain that I have this. I am ready to receive. I am certain that I have this. I am ready to receive. In your own time, at your own pace, keep repeating this affirmation as you feel this golden wave filling up your body, flowing through you, bringing exactly what you want. And as this wave reaches the top of your head, it begins to pour out of you. It's as if the floodgates of abundance have opened for you. feeling and knowing that more than enough is always available to you at all times. Allow this energy to stay within you as you place your hands back down by your side. And for a few moments, sit in the feeling of total freedom and possibility. Feeling the surrender of this moment. Surrendering to freedom. Surrendering to trust. And surrendering and knowing that you can always have what you want. There are no limits to what you can have. What's possible for others is possible for you. And take a deep breath in and exhale and repeat after me. I always get what I want, or even better. Abundance is always available to me. I am supported in every desire I choose to receive. Take a deep breath in and exhale, feeling the space, the expansion, the overflow of abundance all around you. Keeping that inner peace and connection within as you begin to come back into this moment. Gently wiggling your fingers and toes, maybe stretching in a way that feels good to you. And when you're ready, open your eyes and come back to this meditation as often as you need and for each thing that you intend to manifest. And if you enjoy these guided meditations and would like to get brand new ones each and every month, visit the link below this video for more information on the brand new meditations each month inside of Create.